Hi, I'm Lisa Nelson, beauty maven and celebrity makeup artist, and I want to talk today about how you can achieve a spiderweb effect for your eye makeup. So this is a look that you could do for some type of an event or a character or of course Halloween, so this is really fun. To recap on what we've already done on our model, and I'd say she's beautiful, but I think she's not feeling so beautiful right now. She's feeling very extravagant. This is a really fun look. On Chloe Nelson, we have we perfected her skin, powdered. You want to powder pretty heavily for this look, especially when you're working in the eye area. You want to concentrate some extra powder underneath the eye area so that you can go back out and dust that out. What that does is if you should have fallout from, because we used a heavy black look here, if you should have fallout, you'll be able to dust that away. You can also tissue down in that case, but either one of those options is great. She has a really dramatic eyebrow, and the reason being is that we want to frame the eye and create this really kind of powerful statement. We did a very strong foiling, like baked eyeshadow across her eye and out into this area where we drew the web, and I used a series of different brushes through this area to draw this pattern in. We wanted it to look sort of flowing and maybe wet. We decided floating on water is the effect that we were going for. So I want to show you on camera really quickly how you can set the shadow wet. So I have a little wet brush, and we're just going to pop that green just a little bit more. Go ahead and close for me, Chloe. We're going to go back in, lay color in, and by using the water, it helps to set that shadow, just brings it forward a little bit more, causes the color to shine and to look. This is called wet set. In terms of technique, it's just setting the powder, the eyeshadow wet. So you want to get that brush just barely wet and then dip it in the product. Go back in and touch up any areas where you want to create focus. Bring it in here. You could go back in to the pieces of the web and bring that out. One thing you could do too is bring some glitter into the picture. Glitter is one of those things you want to isolate it to one area of the face. So in this situation, we're going to do it on the web, on the webbing itself. I'm just going to go back in because you know how spider webs have kind of an iridescence to them. And this is just some translucent. Well, this has got some multi-pigments in it of glitter. Let's go back in and lay that down. And glitter will actually create more movement and shine because of the way that it catches the light. So you want to be selective about where you place it. In this case, we're just going to do it in the corner. She has false eyelashes on, and consider doing that for this look. You'll notice that we only did it on one eye, but both eyes are intense and they both have that foiled shadow. So have fun with this look. I'm Lisa Nelson, and that's how I would do a spider web eye.